You should do the PC money account next. Alright, Savior Dupe 5025. This is for you. And of course, for other people that's curious about PC money, don't say I don't listen to my viewers. This is actually very interesting because I've never considered using PC money for my bank. Because I'm traditional. I want my interest in cash. And I don't think PC money does that. Pretty sure they offer Optimum points instead. Okay, but here's the thing. I shop at Loblaws. I'm Canadian, what do you expect? And they like dominate the Canadian retail market. You know, superstore, shoppers. So I use Optimum points. I even recommended the PC World Elite MasterCard as an underrated card. It's like my main Costco card. So technically, Optimum points for me should be as flexible as cash, which it's not, obviously, but it's better than Rexall Be Well rewards. See, you didn't know Rexall had rewards, did you? Hey, honestly, I didn't know too. I just literally googled the worst loyalty program and this showed up. Worst rewards program in Canada. Rexall Be Well. Never heard of them? Alright, that's new information. But anyways, if PC Money does offer some enticing deals with their Optimum points, it would make sense to use them. So let's take a look. Okay, let's see. First things first. It seems obvious they're trying to compete with the likes of Simplii, Tangerine, or EQ Bank. Maybe even Simple Cash. Throw that in there too. Basically, alternatives to the expensive checking accounts from the big 5 banks. Cause basically, the big 5 banks require you to have a minimum balance for your checking accounts. And it's a couple $1,000s. That's not cheap. So we want to see no minimum balance, which they do, and free e-transfers, which they also have. But those are just the basics. EQ Bank, Tangerine, and Simplii offer interest rates. 3% for EQ Bank, and up to 5.5% promotional rates for Tangerine and Simplii. Heck, even Simple Cash, which I made a video about, is offering 4% right now. So, for PC Money to be competitive, they have to offer at least like 4% rewards. Cause you know, they're not offering cash. So I see over here that they're offering a free promotional period of almost 130,000 points if you satisfy their requirements. Okay, I think we need to set a value for Optimum points first, cause it's gonna be different for everyone. See, I use Optimum points during promotional periods. So basically like exchanging 200,000 points for $300 at Shoppers Drug Mart. These promotional periods happen several times a year. So to me, 130,000 promotional points is worth like $195. So in terms of the value of Optimum points, we're gonna set it at $1.5 for 1,000 points. Wait, you know what? Let's make it $1.5 for 1,000 points. Yeah, I think that's better. But then again, I don't chase promotions. I ain't got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Moving all your cash from one bank to another bank every 2 or 3 months? Yeah, I'm not doing it.
No, God, please, no, no.
Just find a solid bank with a good deal and stay there for a while. So we're gonna ignore that promotional deal. At least I am. The least we can expect from a decent checking account is an easy to use app. I think recently PC Financial updated their app design and it looks it's a lot more user friendly. I use it once in a while to check my credit purchases. It used to be a little bit confusing and now I think it's a little bit better. See, everything's in this app. You can even see your Optimum points. Some Optimum point offers, but see, if you want to have a better experience with the Optimum points, they have a separate app for that, which we're not going to get into. So overall, I think their app is on par with their competitors. Alright, let's skip through the first few paragraphs of the legal stuff, because those are promotional rates, and I don't care about that. So from what I'm seeing, they're not offering a traditional interest rate system. They give you Optimum points by doing payroll and pension deposits. So it seems like if your payroll and pension totals to about $1,500 to $2,999 a month, you will earn 2,000 Optimum points. So if your total payroll deposits is over $2,999 a month, you'll earn 5,000 points. So this ain't traditional because you're not getting interest rates. So you know what, let's try our best to convert this program into interest rates. Alright, let's assume you're making $1,500 a month, which would net you 2,000 Optimum points. Depending on how you view Optimum points, that's worth about $2 or $3. So you're looking at an interest rate of, let's do some math here. I'm Asian. Our math is supposed to be good. I still use my calculator though. Alright, 2 divided by 1,500 because we're assuming $2 for $2,000 in Optimum points. And then you multiply, I can't talk. You multiply that by 100 to get the percentage point, but this is only in per month. So you want to multiply that by 12 you get 1.6% in interest rates. But for some people, it can be worth up to 2.4% if you value Optimum points as worth up to $1.5 for 1,000 points. Okay, 1.6% or 2.4%, that's kind of low. And that's if you make $1,500 a month. If you make like $2,999 a month, divide your interest rates by 2, because you're basically getting the same Optimum points, but you're putting 2 times the money inside your account. So it's more like 0.8% or up to 1.2%. It's not until you make more than $2,999 a month where you get the next upgrade. Now instead of 2,000 Optimum points a month, you get 5,000 Optimum points a month. So let's do the same calculation assuming you make $3,000 a month. Alright, Asian with the calculator again. So 5 divided by 3,000, because we're assuming it's $5 for 5,000 points, multiplied by 100, you want to get that in percentage points, but that's per month, so you want to multiply that by 12, you get 2%. Best case scenario, 3%, like if you fully utilize Optimum points. So if you make more than $3,000 a month, let's say you make $10,000 a month, that number goes way down. Like, am I missing something here? Other banks reward you for more assets, and PC Money punishes you? Like, let's look at Wealthsimple Cash. The more assets you have, the higher your interest rates. That's how it's usually supposed to be. Okay, there's one thing I'm wondering though, like, is it possible to have your direct deposits to PC Money get the Optimum rewards, you know, 2,000 points, 5,000 points, and like immediately transfer out that money to another bank with higher interest rates? So let's just say you get paid bi-weekly. You make $3,000 a month, split into $1,500 twice a month. You get your first $1,500, it's deposited into your PC Money, immediately transfer that money out, then another $1,500 in 2 weeks, and transfer that money out. Technically, you directly deposited $3,000 into your PC Money, which in theory should grant you 5,000 Optimum points. And then you get that 3 or 4% interest rates at another bank, where you actually keep your money. I mean, you know what I mean? I don't know if that works, or if PC Financial allows you to do that. You know what? I might actually just try that, and probably provide an update video like months down the future. But if that works, opening a PC Money account might be a viable option. Okay, next. 1,000 PC Optimum for 5 bill payments per month. Ooh, okay, this is something I haven't seen from other banks before. Offering you rewards when you pay bills. Okay, let me take that back. Canadian Tire's Triangle MasterCard allows you a 1% rewards when you pay taxes and utilities with them. But PC Money offers you rewards when you pay like credit card bills or something. Have not seen that before. Okay, I think that might be the main selling point for PC Money. But is it enough to beat out competitors like EQ Bank or Wealthsimple Cash? I think one strategy you could do is to leave $0 inside your PC Money. When the time comes for paying bills, e-transfer your money to your PC Money and pay bills there. I don't know, man, it seems like a hassle. And you can only do this like 5 times a month, cause that's the maximum they offer you. It's slightly annoying, weaving your money back and forth between different bank accounts multiple times a month. But you know what, with the economy so crap right now, maybe it's worth it. Okay, let's talk about their card. I feel like it's only used to withdraw money from the ATM. PC Financial's ATM, because anywhere else they charge you money. Well, they don't, but the other banks do. Like, they have all these rewards, but look, just get their credit card, it's much better. Okay, let's conclude. I cannot say that this is a fantastic product. Like, if you can move your direct deposits out immediately and still get the rewards, then yeah, I can see this being a viable option. So essentially what it comes down to is, for PC Money, you're not using it for your primary source for banking. You're just literally weaving your money back and forth between PC Money and other bank accounts just to get the requirements for their rewards. And if I'm not mistaken, it seems like the maximum amount of rewards you can get per month is like 10,000 Optimum points, which is like $10 to $15 a month. All that for $10 to $15 a month, I don't know if it's worth it, man. But then again, the economy is pretty bad. Any way to beat the system might be worth it. Alright, that's it for today. If you learned something from this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I'm starting to take YouTube a lot more seriously now, pumping up personal finance videos to help fellow Canadians. So if you have a topic idea, leave a comment down below. And again, I make personal finance tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.